These students are playing a guessing game from standard 4. Come on, Muskan, start. Read your sentence.
She gives us milk. Cow.
Guess.
Guess. Cow.
Very good. Well done. Put it down.
It rhymes with pup. Guess. Cup.
Very good.
It has a trunk and two big ears. Guess. The elephant.
Very good. Put it down.
We cut vegetables with it.
Shahid.
Yes.
Shahid. Very good.
Knife.
Knife. Well done. Put it down. Well done. Come on, Tamanna.
It is right. It quacks. Duck.
Dog. Well done. Okay, put it down. Next.
It shines in the sky. It is hot. Sun. Guess.
Sun. Very good.
It is green. It flies. Parrot.
Very good. Well done. Put it down, beta. Next.
They fly in the sky. Birds.
Birds. Very good. Badhiya. Come on, Shahid.
It has 4 legs and a top. Table.
Table.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Table.
They are small. They bite. Yes. Ants.
Ants. Okay, they are small, है ना, छोटी छोटी रहती है और they bite और काटते भी वो. Okay, good.
It has 3 legs. Fan.
Okay, good. Next.
It grows on the tree. Flower.